So this is the refrigerator, and this is where we keep everything nice and cold. As you can tell, the lights are kind of bright. These are grapes. Try some. That's pretty good, huh? These are applesauce pouches. I'm sure you will love them just as much as your siblings do one day. These are peanut butter cups. Not only are peanut butter cups my favorite, they are also your dad's favorite. Pretty good. It's pretty cool, huh? Oh, that's the button that always goes off after your sister Ellie is in the fridge because she likes to leave it open. And that lets us know, hey, the refrigerator's open. Your dad put my pot stickers in the fridge. These go in the freezer, Holton. Want ice cube? Oh, that feels good on those gums.